welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and YourPedia is providing you detailed information related to winter admissions, and now the calls have started coming. I mean, from different IITs, IIT Roorkee, IIT Bombay, IIT Ropar, people have started getting calls for MS, MTech, PhD programs. In the interview letters, they have mentioning that you need to have a PowerPoint presentation of during interview. So in that PPT, you are to mention some 5-7 page of PPT should be there. Let me tell you, this PPT concept was initiated by YourPedia only, and I believe I am boasting of this, but I think I should. Why? Because I am happy that this has become a part of this process now. PPT, that means when you go for an interview, the professors will tell you that, okay, show me the PPT. In that, show me your background, what project you have done, where you have done training, what is your SOPs, I mean, why you want this particular course and what you will do in this particular course, something like that. So on the basis of that presentation, they are going to ask you some questions. So what otherwise used to be oral, now it is through PowerPoint presentation. And I think that is a welcome step. That is a good thing, because that will make this entire interview process very, I'll say, good and very effective for you also and for professors also who will see this presentation. What should be typically in PowerPoint? 5 to 7 slides. Number 1, your background. First page, who you are. First page, everything, your name, your college, your CGPA, your GATE score, everything. Second should come your BTech project and training report. BTech ka title, maybe title of your BTech project, maybe abstract, and training where you have done. One slide should be why you want to do MS in Energy Science in IIT Bombay, course and department. That should be one slide. And then research proposal, what do you want to do in that? What you want to do in that? That should be research proposal. So very meticulously done. These are the slides which are important, and then one to more slide if you add, it becomes 7. Understood? About you, why you want to do this particular course, about your project, about your training, what you want to do in this particular project, and if you mention some professor, his work can also be mentioned there. I will show you typical or standard PPT for this particular thing, so that you get an idea how it is to be done. In summers we started this particular entire process. In fact, last winter we started it, and now this winter it is being accepted by majority of IITs. Last summer I remember 2-3 students got purely selected on the basis of this particular concept, because it was not compulsory, so not every student made it, but they made it, and professors were impressed that okay, they made that much of effort, and then it became a norm now. And those students got selected also, and I think I have uploaded the video with those students also related to this. Make it really nicely now, 5 to 7 slides, and it should be really well defined. Everything should be good, so that you get an advantage during your interview. All the very best, and I will show you some more PPTs related to this. Thank you.